Hello and good morning. Now it's Sunday today, so I've got a day off, so I'm thinking of doing a job that needs doing on my XJR. So let me show you what the job is. Now, my headlights, okay, have a bit of cloudiness appearing on them. So let me show you. So above my headlights on my XJR, look, it started to go like that, yeah, like a cloudy film. And it's really aggravating me. It's been aggravating me for about a year, but because it sits in the garage all the time, this car now, I sort of forgot about it. I forget about it until I wash it. Because it's not that visible. Look, this one started to on the edge. Just see it? Yeah. These ones aren't too bad. There's a little bit of dots coming on, but it's nothing too bad. But these are, I believe, I'm sure it's plastic anyway. But yeah, so I don't really like that. So I've decided to buy a kit. Now this kit was £8 off eBay, Tcut headlight restoration kit. Now I've used one of these before, but you put an end in a drill in, did it with a drill, but they were really bad headlights I did with it. So this one doesn't, it's just 2 bottles of cream. Let me show you. I have had this out once, it came off eBay, it came off this person. Yep, it was like £8 with postage and delivery, I think. So there's the cloth. Oh, we've put that in the dirt already. That's a bad thing to do, wasn't it? And then you get a bottle of headlight restorer sealant, and you get the compound that you use. So basically, we're going to see if this actually works. All right. So let's see how we get on. So it does appear to be removing it. I'm only doing it lightly over the rest of the headlight, but because it's not actually that bad, it's just this edge where the water's dripped off the bonnet, and it does seem to be removing it. But I mean, this is very slow. I've been here 10 minutes now. I think if I was going to do this again, I'd get an electric buffer drill and just buff the edge, and I think you'd do it in a quarter of the time, to be honest. But it seems to be, there's a little faint bit left. So that's not too bad, but like I say, the other headlamps aren't too bad. It's just a bit of dirt on it, but I mean, I think they'll. I'm just going to do them all lightly, and just do a bit of work on the top to get that rough edge off. And yeah, hopefully it'll all be good. Well, actually, I've only put the compound on. I've just lightly done it all over and a bit heavier on that edge. But if you look at it, that one, and then you compare it to that one, look how yellowy looking that one is. And to be honest, they look quite clear. If you stand here, it's definitely a lot better. Look at that. Oh, we've got to do them all now. So let me just do a bit more work on that edge, because it is coming along. There you go. Look at that. See, look, it's nearly gone. Like, look at that. You know, there's a little faint bit of it, but I mean, I don't know if you'll get it all off. And then I have to put the sealant on the top to seal it. I'm going to do them all now. So as you can see, it does work. Now, it's definitely 5 times, 10 times better. There's still a very faint bit of marking there. I think if you'd done it maybe with the electric, it might have come out a bit better. That one wasn't too bad anyway. But I think maybe if you'd done it with the electric, you might have got a slightly better effect. Now we're going to do this side. So when you look at this side, look, it's a lot worse. Look at that. So we're going to try and get that off now. And all of this. So, like I say, they feel really rough, these headlamps, when you touch them. When you touch these now, smooth. Let's see how we get on. So, I think that looks 5 times better than it did. They're definitely a lot clearer, the whole lamp. And they're nice and smooth now. But, I mean, considering that's hand polishing, I think that's quite good, don't you? Looks a lot better, a lot clearer now. So this stuff I recommend, it does work, but I do think if you had really, yellow headlamps, you probably want more of a heavier duty kit. I think this is good if you've just got like a bit of misting over like I had. But yeah, it's good. What do you want for £8 really, But yeah, Tcut headlight restoration kit. So yeah, good. So that's it for this video. So I'll see you all soon. The red X300's off to get his wings painted and the bumper painted, so stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you all very soon.